relating to biodiversity. The one is the Convention on Biological Diversity, and other one is the Biological Diversity Act 2002. So, if I discuss about the Convention on Biological Diversity, this convention, that is the Convention on Biological Diversity, is an international agreement adopted at Earth Summit, which I discussed in earlier lecture, the Rio de Janeiro in 1992. So the Rio de Janeiro conference was very important conference known as Earth Samiti or Rio Samiti or Rio Conference. In that conference, the Convention on Biological Diversity was also adopted in 1992. The Convention on Biological Diversity has three main objectives. First, to conserve the biological diversity. Second, to use its component in a sustainable way. And third, to share fairly and equitable the benefits arising from the use of genetic resources. So the Convention on Biological Diversity के तीन ऑब्जेक्टिव हैं. बायोलॉजिकल डाइवर्सिटी को कंजर्व करना, इसके कंपोनेंट्स को सस्टेनेबल वे में यूज करना और साथ में इक्विटेबल बेनिफिट के यूज में इसके जेनेटिक रिसोर्सेज को शेयर करना जिससे सब उसका बेनिफिट ले सकें. The Convention on Biological Diversity was negotiated under the guidance of United Nations. It was signed by more than 150 government leaders at Rio Earth Summit, which is also known as United Nations Conference on Environment and Development. So the convention is now one of the most widely ratified international treaty on the environmental issue with 194 members. So now the Convention on Biological Diversity has been ratified by more than 194 countries. Unlike other international agreements, it sets compulsory target and obligation. The Convention on Biological Diversity takes a flexible approach to implementation. It identifies general goals and policies, and countries are free to determine how they want to improve them. One of the Convention on Biological Diversity's greatest achievement so far has been to generate an enormous amount of interest in biodiversity, both in developed countries and developing countries. तो कन्वेंशन ऑन बायोलॉजिकल डाइवर्सिटी का सबसे बड़ा अचीवमेंट ये रहा कि ये बायोडाइवर्सिटी में एक बड़ा इंटरेस्ट जागृत करता है डेवलप्ड और डेवलपिंग कंट्रीज दोनों में. सो बायोलॉजिकल डाइवर्सिटी इज नाउ seen as a critical important environment and development issue. इसमें इंडिया का पोजीशन क्या रहा? इंडिया इज ए पार्टी टू द कन्वेंशन ऑन बायोलॉजिकल डाइवर्सिटी 1992, recognizing the sovereign rights of states to use their own biological resources. The convention expects the parties to facilitate access to genetic resources by other parties subject to national legislation on the mutually agreed upon term, Article 3 and Article 15 of Convention on Biological Diversity. Also, Article 8, Clause J of the Convention on Biological Diversity recognize contributions of local and indigenous communities to the conservation and sustainable utilization of the biological resources through radiation, through their traditional knowledge, practice, and innovation, and provide for equitable sharing the benefits with such people arising from utilization of their knowledge, practice, and innovation. यही तीनों ऑब्जेक्टिव मैंने अभी डिस्कस किया कि कन्वेंशन ऑन बायोलॉजिकल डाइवर्सिटी के तीन ऑब्जेक्टिव हैं. सो बायोलॉजिकल diversity or biodiversity is a multidisciplinary subject involving diverse activities and actions. The stakeholders in biological diversity include central government, the state government, institution of local self-governmental organization, industry, etc. One of the major challenges before India lies in adopting an instrument which helps realize the objective of equitable sharing of benefits enshrined in the Convention on Biological Diversity. तो बायोलॉजिकल डाइवर्सिटी के रिगार्ड में ये बातें रही बायोलॉजिकल डाइवर्सिटी कन्वेंशन के रिगार्ड में.